Hello, welcome to my latest video. If you like this video, remember to like, notify, subscribe or share. Here's the two films for today. The first is Birds of Prey. That's the front of the slipcover. That's the back of the slipcover. This is the front of the disc. That's the back of the disc. Inside artwork. Pamphlet. For Wonder Woman 84. So that's Birds of Prey. I watched this movie on digital with Atmos sound and it was brilliant, really good. I enjoyed this film better than The Suicide Squad, the first movie, and Harley Quinn's my favourite in this movie. So I love Margot Robbie. She's a brilliant actress and she suits this part really well. Good movie. I enjoyed this one, Birds of Prey. The second one is Vamp. That's the front of the disc. That's the back of the disc. That's the disc. That's the inner sleeve. This is Vamp from Arrow Video. I love this movie. I remember it in the 80s. I did VHS and I've seen the digital version. I love Grace Jones as the vampire in this movie, and I think it's Dee Dee Pfeiffer, Michelle Pfeiffer's younger sister. I think it's her younger sister. She's really good in it as well. I really enjoy one of my favourite 80s movies, Vamp. Well worth watching if you haven't seen it. Definitely well worth watching. So that's it from today. If you like this video, remember to like, notify, subscribe or share. Have a really good Wednesday or Tuesday night wherever you are. As always, sending your love from the Blu-ray Scott. Bye.